I built a DevOps team using only AI agents, and it actually worked. Welcome to Talk It Do It, the channel where we take tech to more than hello world. Do you want a DevOps team that are always on and ready to go at any time, day or night? Imagine having a team that never sleeps, adapts instantly to your project needs, and can respond immediately to any demand. How can you ensure your CI/CD pipelines are always efficient or your code is well written? Today, I will show you the potential of building your own DevOps team of AI agents that can run workflow after workflow, non-stop 24/7. Now let's meet the team. You can have as many team members as you need, but I am using 5 and a special guest. This is Samira, who reviews the code and also makes improvement suggestions. This is Sarah, who's leading this automation initiative, and a DevOps expert. This is Kim, who is our Kubernetes specialist driving orchestration best practice. This is Maya, who is our security specialist, keeping our configurations secure and compliant around the clock. This is Alex, ensuring infrastructure requirements are met. And last but not least, for accessing LLMs like Llama, today we are using Groq. We shall be using some input files and simple instructions to help our team build an example website, but also review and analyze the code. Here we have simple instructions for a Kubernetes deployment and service. And here we have created a deliberately inefficient piece of code to make sure our team can improve it. And here is some basic HTML code so we can run it at the end after the team creates the Docker file. Let's now have a quick look at some of the Python code where we have built our team of agents. Notice this file? This is that inefficient code we looked at just now. And here we are just adding some of the agent logic and setting up formatting for how we want our reports. Here we start building our role context for our agents, choosing Llama as the model for our predictor agent class, again provided to us by Groq, and adding more role context to give clear prompting of what we need. Adding Llama for the code review. And of course, more prompt instructions to our chat requirements. You can of course add whatever you need right here for your use case. Adding classes for Docker config, and some fetch parameters. Now it's time to start up the team. Exciting. We will run this example locally, but in a following video we will set this up in a pipeline. Here you see the team spring into action immediately. No need to call them out. And we can run them in parallel if we need to. Stacked as needed. We can see each team member executing their task, and we get to see the feedback in the terminal. Imagine having this streaming to a message bus and providing input for other actions. This first run has completed. It is good to see. Time to check the team's work and check the outputs. Look at that. The manifest was created from our simple text-based instructions. We can see deployment and service YAML are good. And so is the validation report. Includes some good validation points for us. All from our agents and Groq. Good to see this feedback from our team and is really useful. Same with the code review report. Let's see if the team found the inefficient code we deliberately added earlier. Would you look at that? It found it. This is really good to see. And nice to see this additional information too. We have code reviews on the Kubernetes manifest that was generated as well. Very good. It would be great if our team also provided updated example code as suggestions that we could copy and use. Wow, it has. Now that really is powerful. But wait. I deliberately created an error by not having Docker engine running so an image could not be built. Looks like our team have reported this. This can really help improve our quality gating. Let's start the Docker engine and get the team to rerun the workflow to allow us to check if these great spots by the team and fixes can help reduce our deployment errors. The team are immediately back in action. Again, no need to call them out or coordinating their time against other priorities. And this can be from a received event or notification. Rechecking the build report, we can see the Docker issue was fixed, and now we have a positive scoring. This is looking really good, and lots of potential to smarten this whole team using event-driven orchestration. Before we finish this quick demo, let's just build and run our image that has our basic HTML code I showed you earlier. I'm using a simple browser in Cursor and is available in VS Code as well, and our website is running and looking good. All of this was created, reviewed, and analyzed by our DevOps team of AI agents using Groq and has huge potential. That is the end of this video. Please leave comments of what you would build or have built, and happy to receive feedback. If you feel you want to, I would really appreciate a subscription, and I will be working away on more videos showing technology and more than Hello World. Thank you for your time today.